How to add a collapse product description section in Shopify. Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add collapsible section in your products in pages in Shopify. You have probably seen those neat little drop shadows as you can see here in your screen. So those need little drop shadows for things like shipping info, sizing, size fit, and delivery privacy and policy. And they make your page look super clean and organized. This isn't just about looks. A collapsible section actually helps your customer to find key detail faster, which can lead to more sales. And the best part, you don't need to touch any code. I will guide you step by step using Shopify's built-in features so that even if you are totally beginner, you can follow along easily. By the end of this video, you will know how to set up collapse content and that's specific to each product. And yes, we will even use Shopify dynamic features like model objects to do it right away. Now, in order to do that, first thing first, what you have to do is just simply log in into your Shopify account and create. If you haven't created, you can create it by just simply click on the start free. Now, after logging in, Shopify admin dashboard will appear in front of you. Now, what you have to do in the left side, you have to click on the online store. Just simply click over here. From here, you will get to see the customization option under your current theme. Now, this opens up. Just simply click on the customize button and it will open the editor where we will be doing all the layouts and design changes. If your product page opens by default, then it's okay, but if it is not, then simply click over here, and the second option you will can see there is an option called product. Just simply click over here, and as you can see here, I have a description already and share button. Now what I will do, let's create a product page template. If you want to create a new page or new product page template, what you have to do, you can add a collapse section to your default product page. But if you want different layout for a different types of products, let's make a new product page template. In the theme editor, click on the drop down menu in the top. Just simply click on it and click on the products. In the product, you will be seeing create template. Just simply click and you can name it something like with the collapsible section. Just give a new name, give a collapse section, and then click you can create templates. Now we are adding this new templates and you can assign it to specific product. This is just simply click on the create this. Now we have successfully created a template. Now let's add a collapsible content blocks. Now let's, in the left hand panel you can see there is an option and scroll where you will see the product information, related products. Just simply click on it. This is the product information. You can see there is a text, title, price, variant picker, and that's one. And simply what you have to do is just simply click on the add block. Over here, what you have to do is just simply search for collapse content. As you can see here, just simply click on it, or collapse raw. It will add a collapse. Okay, this is a collapse raw. If you want to drag, this is a raw, you didn't need to add this. By mistakenly I added this collapse content. What you have to do after the description, just simply click on the add block, and then you can see there is an option which is collapse raw. Click on it and it will give you the collapse raw option. This add section that can expand and collapse, great for shipping info and materials. You can repeat this to add multiple collapse raw. For example, this is for product details. Again, add one more. This is for shipping information, and this is for the third reason. So we have added 3. Now if you go into product details, so product details are different based on your product, so each product information will be very different to each other. Now the product shipping information is like is shipping information will be same info for every product, so you don't need to change over here, but you have to change the product details. It is unique information for each product. If you are adding something that's the same across all products, you can type it directly into the collapse log, so it will but if it is different from for each product, like uh, uh, product information, you have to use a different method. Now let's set up a meta field for the dynamic information. First I will add the information related to our shipping or care instruction or shipping information. Just simply click on it, and in the right side you will get to see this heading. Now you can change it to shipping or shipping information. So maybe my spelling is little not that good. Shipping information. Now click on the, if you want to take a check mark, you can give that too. Now add a description, shipping information, and click on the generate. It will generate a short description about your shipping. So we have successfully added a shipping description and shipping information. So let's add the second, which is product details. So we can now come on the second collapse row, change the name product information, and now if I add description over here, it will be same to other product as well. So what I will do, I will just simply click on the save and go back to my admin dashboard. Now click on the setting in the left bottom. Now over here you have to choose a custom data. Click on it. In the custom data you have to click on the products. So click on the products. Now click on the add definition. In the right side you will get to see. Click on it. Now fill all the information like name, like it will be like uh, product information. Now product information, and then give a description if you want, like this is the product which I like the most. Now you can select type as well. For now you can give a single line text. If you want multiple line text, you can give that too. So I have added a multiple line text. Now if you want to give a category, you can give that too. Right now I don't want to give a category. Just simply click on the save after uh, doing all of the after filling out all the information. Now that's it. You just created a field that you can fill out a different for each product. Now let's fill in the meta field content for product. Now let's use that new meta field from the Shopify admin. Click on the product. Just simply go back to your admin dashboard. From there you have to click on the product. After the products, what you have to do is choose any products you want to edit, for example this one, and scroll down to the meta field section at the bottom. As you can see, there is an option called product meta field. Choose any product you want to edit, as I said. Now click on it and you will get to see product information. Click on it. Okay, so give the description over here. So enter something like this product this product is greater than great. The quality of the product is great. So this is just for tutorial. You don't need to add this description like this. Now Just simply click on the save. So yeah, we have successfully created product meta field. Now what you have to do, connect the meta field in the theme editor. Get back to your online store and go back into your theme and click on the customization. Now just simply change the product, click on the collab section. As you can see here, now click on the product information. Now over here, now in the right size, you will get to see there is an option called raw content form page. Click on it, and from here you can search. Now what you have to do is just simply let me okay, not click on the select, you have to click on this database option. Click on it and click on it again over here in the template product. So as you can see here, you will get to see this meta object. Click on it, so you will get to see so secondly, I have give you to choose this raw content from page. What you have to do is just simply click on the raw content. From here you can choose a content. Just simply click on current block. Now here you can see there is an option called current block, or you can just simply click on the product. You can add a title, vendor, description. Just simply click on the description. So as you can see here, we have successfully created a different description for different product. Now the block will automatically show different information for each product. For example, if I choose this product, let's see if is it working. Okay, so the drop down menu is not working over here because we have created a different uh, product section for different product. As you can see here, we have over here. Now yeah, we have basically we you can repeat this for other meta fields too, like material, spatial handling nodes, and more. So if you want to make it look even better, you can change the icon by clicking on icon options inside the collapse raw. Now you can also update fonts as well. Just simply click on it. Just simply over here, edit values. It can give, so basically you can customize it. Now what you can do is just simply click on the save, and you can see a preview of this page. Changes are saved. Just simply tap mobile desktop. Now that's it, how you can add your claim collapsible products description section in your Shopify in 2024 5. If this helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.